Here's a question to the entrepreneur in you. Do you want to earn your first $10,000? Then look closer. Pay attention to this video because you are in the right place. You believe that you can do more, but no matter how hard you try, somehow things don't click for you. Do you feel frustrated that despite spending your time, efforts, and money following different so-called business gurus, reading innumerable books, attending seminars after seminars, you see no positive results? Do you find it hard to move forward in your life, both personally and professionally, no matter how hard you try? Are you tired of asking for support to solve your problems? Maybe you want to fix the issues related to cash flow. Maybe you want to quit your job and start a business. Maybe you want to be a leader in your life, but at every stage you find yourself alone, choking on your own potential. If the answer to any of these questions is yes, then get ready for the perfect solution to all your problems. Get ready to destroy overwhelm and welcome clarity in your life. Introducing 10K Society, your key to go from confusion to consistent cash. When you enroll to become a member of the 10K Society, you open the door to success. Get on-demand training created by our expert team based on your desire. Get access to a badass support community in the form of Genius Cafe. Get on a 60-minute long weekly group accountability call with the support team that will ensure that you have completed the one thing in your business. Ask questions, learn, implement solutions, and move forward one step at a time. Amazing, isn't it? But that's not all. As a member, you will also get business essentials, scripts and templates, work rewards, orientation roadmap, progress reminders. The list of benefits goes on. What's more, every month there are new courses being added, which means you will always have access to the latest and greatest training materials. So what are you waiting for? Get the key to business success. Become a member of the 10K Society and realize your dream today.